Good morning, senior KG students. How are you? I hope you are fine. Open your numeracy skills textbook, that is page number 23. Today's topic is more and less. Who has more? Circle the picture. Here some pictures are given. You have to circle the picture who is having more things. Okay. The first picture. What is this? Wow, this is an ice cream. This is an ice cream. Let's count how many ice creams he is holding in his hand. 1, 2 and 3. He is having 3 ice creams. Okay. Coming to the next one. How many ice creams he is having? 1. He is having only 1 ice cream. So this boy is having 3 ice creams. So he is having more. Wow, coming to the next one, these two girls are holding beautiful balloons and beautiful colorful balloons in their hands. Let's count how many balloons are there. Coming to the first girl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This girl is holding 5 balloons in her hand. Coming to the next girl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She is holding 7 balloons. So she is more than this girl. She is holding 7 balloons in her hand. Coming to the next picture, see here. This boy is holding 4 flowers in his hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this boy, let's count how many flowers he is holding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He is having 6 flowers. So he is more. Coming to the last one. See here, 2 rabbits are there. They are having carrots in front of them. You know rabbit loves carrot. Okay. Let's count how many carrots this rabbit is having. 1, 2. This rabbit is having 2 carrots. Let's count how many carrots this rabbit is having. 1, 2, 3, 4. This rabbit is having 4 carrots. Okay. So he is more. So I am having some examples for you for this topic, more and less. Let's see what are they. See here. This is a bunch of keys. Okay. This is a bunch of keys. Let's count how many keys this bunch is having. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This bunch is having 9 keys. Okay. Let's see one more bunch. How many keys this bunch is having? 1, 2 and 3. This bunch is having 3 keys. So which is more? Which is having more keys? This bunch. Okay. One more example for you. See here. Here 2 sharpeners are there. Here 2 sharpeners are there. And here 4 sharpeners are there. Which is more and which is less? This is more. This is more and this is less. Okay. One more example for you. See here. I am having cups here. Let's count how many cups are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are 4 cups. Okay. And one more. How many cups are there here? See here. 1 and 2. Which is more and which is less? This is more and this is less. The cups which are having 2 cups is less and this 4 cups is more. Okay. Coming to the next one. See here, I am having some carom coins for you. Let's count the black one first. How many black coins we are having? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are having 4 black coins. Okay. And we are having more white coins. Let's count how many coins are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I am having 8 white coins and 4 black coins. So which is more and which is less? Which is more and which is less? The white coins are more and black coins are less. See here, one more example for you. See here, this bottle is having more water up to here. One more bottle is there. See how many water is having. See here, up to here. So this bottle is having less water and this bottle is having more water. Okay, and some books are also there. Let's count how many books are there here in first set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are having 6 books in one set. Let's count the next set. 1, 2, 3. We are having 3 books in one set and 6 books in other set. So which is more and which is less? This is more and this is less. Okay, I hope you understood. I have given some examples to understood that you'll understand. Let's circle who is having more and who is having less. This boy is having 3 ice cream, so he is more. So he is having more. The girl with 7 balloons is more. So we should circle this. See here, the boy with 6 flowers, we should circle this. So he is having more. The rabbit with 4 carrots, he is having more. So we should circle this. I hope you understood the topic of more and less. I have given some examples to you. I hope you understood and enjoyed. Bye and have a nice day.